Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create and deploy a basic static website. Okay, so I'll be using a simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript as this is the first project. So this will be the static website in which something will be related to the AI. Already I have created the project with the help of DeepSeek. You can use any other AI model which you want. Otherwise, I will be pushing the source code of this files in this directory. So I'll keep the link into the resource section. From there you can access this repository. Okay. So what we'll be doing, the agenda for this video is basically we'll be creating a Docker file and we'll be using the base image as Nginx. So it is basically a web server. Okay. So web server which is used to host websites. So basically Nginx is used to host the static websites. So we have two types of websites, that is static and one is dynamic. Okay. So static websites where no actions is required, like no form, what we say, we will not be submitting any kind of form. We will not be doing any kind of action on the website, like adding something like that. Okay. So it will be a very simple website. And next is the port will be exposing to 80, as this thing already we have discussed in the previous classes. So if you have any doubt, then you can ask us in the like section which we have further, right? So let me show you the website which I have created. Okay, so you can first let me show you the project structure. So project structure basically I have created Directix Docker project, and in that I have created a project one, and in project one I have all these files, index, style, script, and images. Okay, so let me just show you. So if I click on index.html, it will open up in the uh, browser. So but the URL, you can see it is just referring the files. Okay, so this is the basic website home. If you click about it will give me all the information, a application and everything. Okay, if I just reload it, then and come down, this everything you can see how it is happening. Okay, it's looking quite a nice good looking website. Okay, so we'll containerize it. Okay, so let's begin. Hmm, okay, this one. Yeah. Okay. So the very first step which we do, as we already know, we'll be creating a Docker file. And in Docker file, I'll be using the base image of Nginx Alpine. Okay. And basically what happens in Nginx, we have a directory with this name, like the full directory structure is user share Nginx HTML. Okay. So at this directory, we'll be keeping our files. Okay, so we use the copy, and dot refers to the whatever present in the current directory. So in my current directory, only the project files are there. User share nginx html. Okay, copy added. After that I have to expose it, like my inside the container, my website will run on the port. On what port it will run, so that I have to write here, that I want to write is at 80. And then this command, I will be writing like when the container will start, that time what command should run. So the command is nginx comma hyphen g comma daemon of, right? So this is our simple basic Docker file. So let me just build it. So already I've created one AI with name AI. I'll be using static website. Okay, okay, it is done. It got build everything. Then I'll be using docker run command, and we can use the image ID here, and the port I will be using 8081. That is perfectly fine. And here I'll be adding static web. Okay, Cool. To Docker PS. Okay, here you can see static web is there. Okay, it is running on port 8081. Let's go in the browser and I'll be opening the port 8081 127.0. Change the port here. Nice. So here you can see now your application containerized and it is running on the port 8081 on your local host. If you deploy the same thing on any server, so instead of a local host, you need to keep the IP address of that particular server. Let me just tell you some more about like if you want to deploy this project on AWS, okay, if Docker is present there on that particular server. So basically in AWS, what happens? This we have the public IP and the private IP, right? So with the help of the public IP of any E0 instances, you can just access this website. So those things we'll be covering in advanced project when we'll be creating. So this is the that's it for today's class, and see you in the next one. Thank you.